Good morning, students. We are going to continue on with our math lesson. Now, pay attention to your screen as Mr. Begay is going to explain to you how this works out. Remember, we are dealing with doubles fact. We know doubles fact are two numbers that are the same. Remember, we're adding also. We're going to write the sum for each double facts. But remember, boys and girls, doubles fact means two numbers that are the same, okay? You should know that now. Now, we have here 2 plus 2, and we need a number here. But in order to get this number here at the bottom, we're going to use pictures to demonstrate how this looks and how to get this number here for a doubles fact. Now, boys and girls, 2 is right here. So watch Mr. Begay. I'm going to get 2 of these photos here, okay? We have 2 girls right here that represents 2. Now this bottom number is 2 also. Therefore, Mr. Begay is going to grab 2 more girls and I'm going to insert them underneath. Now look, this is a doubles facts. There are 2 girls on top and there are 2 girls at the bottom now. That's what you call a doubles fact. They're the same amount on top and at the bottom. Now to get this number here, we're just going to count these girls up. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer here, boys and girls, is going to be 4. So 2 plus 2 is going to equal 4 based on our picture here. Now, keep looking at your screen as we are coming to another example. Remember, doubles fact. 2 numbers have to be the same. 4 and 4, they are the same numbers. Now before we can figure this out, let's get some pictures here to see the example. Now we have 4 here. So Mr. Begay is going to get 4 of these calculators. And I'm going to put them here because we need 4 of them. Now there we go. We have 4 calculators that are lined up to represent that 4. This bottom number is also 4. So therefore we need 4 more calculators at the bottom. So let's insert them here. Now we are at 2. Here's 3. And here's 4. Now look at that, boys and girls. This is what you call a doubles fact. You have the same amount of pictures at the top and the same amount of pictures at the bottom. Now all we do is count them up. Let's count together with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer here, boys and girls, is going to be 8. So 4 plus 4 is going to equal 8 based on our doubles fact pictures here. Now keep looking at your screen, boys and girls. Now we have here again a doubles fact because look, we have 2 numbers that are the same. We have 0 at the top and 0 at the bottom. Now boys and girls, since this top number is 0, do we put any photos here? No, because that's 0. You do not put anything here. You leave it blank. How about this bottom number? Do we put anything here? No, we don't, because that is also 0. So, 0 plus 0. Look, since there are no photos here, there's nothing here, your answer is going to simply be 0. So 0 plus 0 is going to be 0 because we have no photos here. Okay? Now keep paying attention and keep focusing on your screen. Now here we go. We have another example here. Here is a doubles fact again. Now we have two numbers that are the same. 5 and 5. They're the same, therefore it is a doubles fact. Now, what number is this, boys and girls? That is a 5. So therefore we need 5 here. Let's put him here. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, and 5. So look, these 5 Navajo burgers, because that's what it is a Navajo burger. 5 Navajo burgers represent that 5 there. Now we need 5 more at the bottom because we have a 5 here also. So let's put 5 more Navajo burgers at the bottom. Now we have 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 Navajo burgers at the top. We have 5 Navajo burgers at the bottom. This is what you call a doubles fact. You see, we have the same amount at the top and the same amount of Navajo burgers at the bottom. All we do now is count up our Navajo burgers. Let's count it up with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 has to go here because that is our answer. So 5 plus 5 is going to equal 10 based on our picture here because it is a doubles fact. Now, boys and girls, let's look at this example. We have here again a doubles fact because we have two numbers that are the same, which represents a doubles fact. Now, what number is this right here? 1. Good job. So we need 1 teddy bear there. Now, we need 1 at the bottom again because there is a 1 there. So that is how our picture is going to look. And this is what you call a doubles fact. You have 1 bear at the top and another bear at the bottom. Now all we do to get our answers, we count up the bears. Let's count. 1, 2. So our answer here, boys and girls, is going to be 2. So 1 plus 1 is going to equal 2. Okay? Remember, doubles fact. Now let's come here to another example. Here, boys and girls, we have another doubles fact. Okay? Two numbers are the same, 3 and 3, so it is a doubles fact. Now, we have a 3 here, so we need 3 of our basketball player right here. Okay, so let's get 3 of our basketball players here. 1, 2, 3. Now look at that. We have 3 basketball players at the top, because that represents that number. Now we need 3 more basketball players at the bottom. We have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, boys and girls, now this is a doubles fact because we have 3 basketball players at the top and 3 basketball players at the bottom. Therefore, it's a doubles fact. Now all we do is we count up our basketball player. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer here is going to be 6. So boys and girls, 3 plus 3 equals 6 based on our doubles fact photos here. Now, let's go to another example here. We have here a doubles fact again. Why? Why is this a doubles fact? Because we have 2 numbers that are the same. We have 7 on top and 7 at the bottom. Therefore, it's a doubles fact. Now, Since 7 is here, we need 7 of our Happy Meals up here on top and 7 Happy Meals at the bottom. Let's start with the top number first. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there you go, boys and girls. We have 7 Happy Meals at the top because there's a 7 there. Now we need 7 more Happy Meals at the bottom. Let's count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Now, boys and girls, this is a doubles fact. Look, we have 7 Happy Meals at the top and 7 Happy Meals at the bottom. Therefore, this is a doubles fact. Now, to get our answer here, all we're going to do is count up our Happy Meals. Let's count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So boys and girls, our answer here is going to be 14 based on our doubles fact photo here. So 7 plus 7 is going to equal 14, okay? Now, boys and girls, go get a paper and pencil. Once you get your paper and pencil, here is your homework. I want you to work out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 problems here. I want you to copy these down, okay? So the first problem here is 4 plus 4. I want you to draw out your objects here. Let me give you a hint here. Since there's 4 here, how many objects do you have to draw here? 4. Since there's a 4 here, how many objects are you going to have to draw at the bottom? 4. And when you're done, you're going to count them up and give me an answer here at the bottom. Remember, these are double facts because look, they are the same numbers at the top and at the bottom. That is what you call a doubles fact. Now, if you forget how to do this, rewind the video and watch the entire segment. Go ahead and pause the video right here as Mr. Begay is going to log off in about another 15 seconds.